Oh my God, Keely. It's just gorgeous. Like everything just looks perfect. Like it's just, I'm actually lost for words.
So that there was my lovely friend Steph seeing her brand new gaming PC for the very first time. Currently, Steph games entirely off her laptop, which is very much on its last legs, so she asked for my help in building her first ever gaming PC, and of course I said yes. So let's get into it.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the song, you know.
So I pretty much wanted to build a PC mainly because the laptop that I was gaming on is about 5 to 7 years old. It is secondhand, so when I wanted to play games, it would take about 20 minutes for it to warm up, another 10 minutes to even launch any game that I was trying to play. So by the time that it was on, everyone was wanting to go to bed. It caused me more stress to be able to play games.
For her motherboard, Steph has gone with an Asus Prime B550M. This is a nice and simple board which features Wi-Fi, which Steph needed for her build, and it's also a solid price and does everything Steph needs it to do.
I mainly play Dead by Daylight, and unfortunately right now on the laptop that I'm using, it's constantly crashing, and obviously that's quite a time-sensitive game. I'll hear the skill check sound go off, but my screen will just be blank and then the gen will blow up in my face, and clearly that's not the way you want to play the game. And I constantly get people in the messages after being like, have you just downloaded the game? And I'm like, no, I'm just playing on a really, really bad laptop.
As you may have guessed from the motherboard, Steph has elected to go for an AMD CPU, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. Let's be honest here, AMD blew it out of the ballpark with their Ryzen 5 CPUs. For the sorts of games Steph plays and at the 1080p range we're aiming for, this CPU will really go above and beyond for her. To cool it, Steph's gone with one of our handy dandy Tough Air CPU coolers. For the extra heat this CPU generates, we do recommend something a little more powerful than the stock cooler, and our Tough coolers are the perfect fit. They are so good at moving a lot of air quickly through your case and helping keep your CPU at optimal temps. For Steph's RAM, of course I recommend our Tough RAM, and Steph's gone with 2 sticks at 3200 MHz. Not only does the white version of our Tough RAM work beautifully with the overall aesthetic, but of course it provides fast, reliable gaming performance too. Steph opted to go for 2 storage solutions, one for her OS and one for her more long-term storage. So she's gone with a Western Digital SN550 500GB M.2, as well as a Seagate Barracuda 2TB HDD. I always recommend getting 2 storage drives if you have the budget for it, especially if you are a gamer or someone who works with a lot of big files. That way you know you have enough space to work with. Of course, we got to go for a Thermaltake case for the build, and Steph chose our gorgeous Divider 300. This case has plenty of space options to support Steph's hardware and goes with the gorgeous white aesthetic she's aiming for. Steph has gone for an absolutely stunning RTX 3060 Vision OC from Gigabyte. For gaming at 1080p like Steph aims for, this card will definitely make any modern game absolutely shine, and is a huge upgrade for someone who's used to looking at games on a laptop. To power it all, Steph's gone with one of our incredibly popular Tough Power GF1 power supplies at 750 watts. This is a fully modular power supply and one of our most popular ones for a reason. This is a super reliable PSU and will supply Steph with more than enough power to keep everything running smoothly, with even some wriggle room to upgrade her GPU or CPU further if she wanted to. Finally, for some extra bling, we've thrown in some cable extenders to keep that gorgeous black and white colour scheme going throughout. So the PC is done and looking fab, but the one person who is yet to see it though is Steph. So Steph, let's reveal your brand new PC.
Okay. Oh my. You like it? Oh my. I love the purple. You know me very well.
I do.
Oh, it's beautiful. Like it's more beautiful than I expected for a PC. Like I wouldn't normally be like, oh, that's gorgeous, but this, oh.
Have you noticed we've got some white cabling in there as well to keep everything nice
so
and
neat
and matching.
When picking parts, we sort of focused mainly on aesthetics because that was quite an important thing for me to make the PC my own, but also anything would have been a step up performance-wise to what I was used to playing on. Everything sort of fit the bill and looked great together, as you can see. Pretty much just really happy with the outcome. I think next time I want to upgrade or maybe even build another PC, I'll probably give it a try myself, but I'll still ask Keely for her help because I don't think I'll be able to make anything as gorgeous as she has made for me today.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have about the build or anything else in the comments down below. Subscribe to their channel if you haven't already and ding the bell to be notified every time they upload.
And while you're still here, check out any of the Thermaltake videos on the screen around us, and we'll see you in the next time.
Bye.
That was sick. Better than me.
Nailed it.
And I even f***ed it up with "we'll see you in the next time."
Did you actually?